Hello and welcome again. My name is Diego. I'm a student counselor with King Charles Medical College. We help students get accepted to medical universities abroad, specifically in the Czech Republic. We work with Charles University, the first faculty of medicine. And I'm going to be making a series of videos with the aim of explain and answer the most common questions that students have. In the previous video, I gave basically general knowledge, and I answer what I consider the most common questions that I get often. And one of the things that I didn't answer in that video that I wanted to answer in this video is scholarship. A lot of the students ask me about scholarships, scholarship programs, ways to finance studies, helping students financially. And it's a very fair question. Not a lot of the students have the budget nor the means to study abroad in English in international programs. These programs, they are not, I would say they are not cheap. To be honest, you need to make an investment and you need to be aware that you're going to have costs. It's not only tuition fees, but when you study abroad, you have costs, accommodation, the common living expenses, such as rent, food, etc., transport. The university has a scheme of scholarship. However, it's very, very limited. And even if you do get some scholarship from the school or the schools, we're talking about a very small amount in comparison to the total tuition. So for example, speaking in regards of Charles University, they do have some scholarship. And the last time we met with the vice dean, he was mentioning the scholarship, but the scholarships are really scarce. First of all, they are based on performance. So it's very limited to very special students. And even if you get that, the amount of the scholarship is just something really not much of a help. You're not going to get a lot of, it's not, let's put it this way, it's not 20% or 30% or 50% or nothing like that. It's even 1% or less than that on the total tuition cost. And remember that the tuition cost in Charles University when doing the international programs, that means that you study in English from the first year until the sixth year. We're talking about something in the range of 16,000 euro per year, close to 17,000 euro per year. The university published these amounts in the Czech crowns, which is 450,000 Czech crowns per year right now. If you translate, you will see that it is close to 17,000 euro per year. So these are not small amounts. And when it comes to scholarships, unfortunately, the university doesn't provide enough, even though they are working on it and they are saying that they want to have a better program for scholarships at this moment. It's just not something that students can use. But there are good news on the other side, on the flip side of this. There are good news. And the good news is that even if you want to study a medical degree abroad in the Czech Republic and you don't have the budget, or you're struggling with the budget or how to finance your studies, we do offer a program in the Czech program, in the local program. That means that you don't study in English from the first year until the sixth year. You study in the Czech language. Hold on, give me a moment. And then you will say, no, it's not for me. I mean, we have a program that will train you for 10 months with more than 1,500 hours in Czech language courses, plus the English courses that are scientific, chemistry, biology, physics, physiology, anatomy, all that you study in English, and you get more than 1,500 hours in Czech. The idea and the aim is that by the end of the program, 10 months after, you studied a lot, you learned a lot, and you can apply to a local program. Local programs, they don't have tuition fees. They are completely free of charge, which means that you can pay only for the foundation program. And once you are accepted in these local programs, then that's the end of the tuition fees for you. No more tuition fees until you become a certified doctor. It's not something small. If you do the math again, you're going to find out that you're saving several thousands of euros per year. And it's an option that you should consider if you're not sure that you can do the English programs due to tuition fees. So that's what I wanted to comment with you in this video. Not a long video, and I'm going to be making more videos with different topics regarding a medical degree abroad, especially made for students that they want to become doctors, that remember that you don't need much apart from a high school certificate and goodwill to become a doctor, you can do it. We have been helping students for many, many years, and you can do it as well. So hope to see you again. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, get in touch with us, learn more about how you can also become a doctor. Just like many other thousands of students did it before you can also do it. And Charles University, by the way, it's a university that is fully accredited pretty much everywhere in the world, in the US entirely, obviously in the entire European Union, in the UK. You have a lot of options with Charles University. We will speak more about it in the coming videos. Take care and thanks for now.